Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you about why I believe that data is not enough when it comes to understanding how people use your product. Data is not enough. You have to talk to people one-on-one. And if you're not, then you're probably setting yourself and your team up for failure because you're not going to be armed with the right insights and knowledge to build a product that people actually want. But first, a little bit more about me. I am Sarah Doody. I'm a user experience designer based in New York City, and I'm on a mission to help people learn how to think like a designer. So one of the ways I do that is this YouTube channel, and I also have a weekly user experience newsletter called theuxnotebook.com. Goes out every Friday, so if you want more UX in your inbox, you can just sign up there. And these videos are filled with honest insights and answers to your questions about user experience, design, and technology. Now, for today's question, how do we use data? Why is data not enough? I want to address that. So, a lot of people say to me, can't we just rely on what is in our Google Analytics? Can't we just look at our Crazy Egg, Mixpanel, Hotjar, whatever analytics software you have installed? And I say, yes, that's a good start. But data only tells you the what, and people tell you the why. And let me explain. So if you have an e-commerce company and you're looking at the Google Analytics and you're looking at how people progress from your website, so they come in from search or social media, they come to a product detail page, they maybe look at some photos, look at the reviews, maybe they then click to another product, and they're in this discovery phase. Your analytics are showing you that, how much time they're spending on the page, where they're clicking, where maybe they're leaving your product, or maybe they add something to the cart and you're seeing they get through the first 3 steps of the checkout and then they leave. Or people are always writing into your customer service saying, how do I apply a coupon code? So the analytics are going to show you what is happening, what people are clicking on, where they're dropping off, how long they're staying, where they're coming for, things like that. But if we think about the idea of people abandoning a shopping cart, the analytics cannot tell you, why people are dropping off. Why are they abandoning the shopping cart? And that's why I am such a huge, huge advocate of data is not enough. People tell you the why, data tells you the what. And that's why we have to talk to users one-on-one. Now, I will say that analytics are great because I feel like they help you cast a very wide net. It kind of shines a spotlight on your entire product, and then it kind of shows you the areas of your product where you may want to invest more time and energy to then go follow up and talk to people one-on-one about the checkout process. You might set up a couple of usability tests with people to understand, well, why are people dropping off the checkout process? The people are only going to be able to tell you why. The analytics are not going to be able to tell you that critical why. And you can't make smart design decisions until you understand that why. Otherwise, it's a lot of guessing. And yes, we do a lot of guessing in user experience design, but if you are that close to being able to talk to people, if they are within your reach, there's no excuse not to engage them and do those one-on-one interviews or usability tests to educate yourself and get inside their head and understand that why. So if there's one thing that you take away from this video, it's the idea that data is not enough. Data only tells you the what, and the people tell you the why. Now, if you've never done usability testing, and user research interviews, then that can be pretty intimidating. And so in the notes below, I'm going to link you to a couple of great resources I have. For example, 35 questions that you can ask someone during a user research interview. that is going to really help jumpstart your thinking and how you may go about conducting a usability interview or usability test. So I hope that's helpful for you. And like I said, if you want to learn more about user experience, check out that weekly user experience newsletter, theuxnotebook.com. And if you want to ask me a question that I might answer on the channel, head on over to sarahdoody.com, and we'll put a link in the notes below as well. And you can just click on contact and ask me your question. And if it's featured, we'll try and let you know in advance, but this is a lot of work, so bear with us. Anyway, that's all for today. Stick with this series if you want to learn more about user research, because there's a bunch of other videos on this topic. And that's all. Just remember, data tells you what, people tell you why. Feel free to use that on your boss, colleagues, whomever. So hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk to you soon. See ya.